Good afternoon, students. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Any one of you having any doubt? You can ask your doubts till your till your friends get connected. जर कोणाला काही डाऊट विचारायचा असेल तर विचारू शकता. Yes. Yes, please ask your doubt. Nobody is having any doubt? Very good. All of you have filled your exam form, Google form. सर्वांनी फॉर्म भरला का?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Others?
Yes, sir.
फक्त दोघांनीच भरलाय. 10 जण जॉईन झालेत, बाकीचे 8 जण.
सर
येस.
सर एक्झाम फॉर्म म्हणजे प्रोसिजर मध्ये आपलं पॅटर्न टाईप का टाकायचं सर?
2019 FE 2019 पॅटर्न.
सर 2 मिनिट हा. सर पॅटर्न नेम.
पॅटर्न नेम
हा
FE 2019 आहे आपलं.
सर ते पुरं ब्लँक येते.
ब्लँक आहे.
हा
आत्ता कोणी भरलाय फॉर्म? विनयने फॉर्म भरलाय ना? का विनयच
नाही सर,
विचारतोय?
मीच विचारतोय.
ओके.
सर ते फर्स्ट इयरचं केलं ना तर ब्लँक येतं आणि अदर दॅन फर्स्ट इयर केलं तर येतं बरोबर.
तू काय केलंस विनय?
सर फर्स्ट इयर.
हा मग बरोबर आहे ना.
सर तर ब्लँक येते ते पॅटर्न नेम.
तू एक काम कर, अक्षय सरांना कॉन्टॅक्ट कर थोड्या वेळाने आपलं लेक्चर झाल्यानंतर.
ओके सर.
सर ते सेशन घेतलेलं त्यात तर त्या ऑदर दॅन केलेलं.
हा म्हणजे जे 2 ऑप्शन आहेत, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन आणि सेकंड ऑप्शन, त्यापैकी
Second
सेकंड
option
ऑप्शन
केलं.
सिलेक्ट करायचं आहे ना. तर विनय तू फर्स्ट ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट केलास का वाटतं?
यस सर, फर्स्ट इयरचा होता म्हणून.
हा, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन नाही सिलेक्ट करायचं, सेकंड ऑप्शन सिलेक्ट करायचं आहे.
ओके
तर
सर.
तू आता पुढे काय करायचं त्यासाठी तू अक्षय सरांना एकदा परत फोन कर. ठीक आहे?
ओके सर, थँक्यू.
वेलकम. कोणाला गुगल फॉर्म मध्ये काय अडचण होती का? कोणाला फीज रिसिप्ट नाही वगैरे असं काही अडचण?
हॅलो.
येस.
हा सर, ते मी फोटो काढून घेतला त्या चलनचा, ते अपलोड केलंय.
ओके, नो
चालेल
प्रॉब्लेम.
ना सर?
चालेल चालेल. बट त्याच्यावरती स्टॅम्प नसेल तर बेटर तुम्ही काय करा की अक्षय सरांना कॉन्टॅक्ट करा आणि त्यांच्याकडनं स्टॅम्पवाला फोटो मागून घ्या आणि मग तो अपलोड करा.
हो चालेल सर. परत अपलोड करू ना मग?
हो, परत अपलोड कर, काय हरकत नाही.
ठीक आहे, थँक्यू सर.
वेलकम. आता कोणीच डाऊट विचारत नाही. आता एरवी फोन करून मेसेज करून डाऊट विचारतात. अंकलेश्वर फॉर्म फिल किया आपने?
नो सर.
तो कब करने वाले हो?
आज.
ओके, आज का मुहूर्त है. ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं. Only 27 students have joined. Let's wait. I hope you can see this particular window. You can see the diagram.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Now, is there anyone who has not joined Google Classroom?
Sir, it's me.
Sir,
Yes. Yes, please ask.
सर कल मैंने एग्जाम फॉर्म भर दिया, उसका हार्ड कॉपी लेके कल मैं आऊंगा तो भी चलेगा ना कॉलेज में?
जी, आप आ सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
सर कोई टाइम लिमिट नहीं रहती है ना पे करने के लिए?
टाइम लिमिट बैंक का जो टाइमिंग है वही 10 टू जो आगे रहेगा वो, क्योंकि आपको
ओके
फीस
सर।
पे करनी है वो बैंक में करनी है, सिर्फ चालान कॉलेज से कलेक्ट करना है, वो फिल करके बैंक में जाना है। ओके,
सर
बट मेक श्योर कि आपने वो भी प्रोसीजर की है और आपने गूगल फॉर्म भी फिल किया है।
yes sir.
सर गूगल फॉर्म कहाँ से भरना है?
गूगल
मेरे को
फॉर्म
लिंक
कहाँ
नहीं
भरना है
है
आपको
कुछ।
पता नहीं? हेलो, आपको पता नहीं? आपका नाम? बेटा आपका नाम क्या है?
आशुतोष सिंह सर।
अच्छा, आशुतोष। आपको गूगल फॉर्म की लिंक नहीं मिली अभी तक?
अटेंडेंस की क्या सर?
गूगल फॉर्म जिस स्टूडेंट रजिस्ट्रेशन वाला।
नहीं सर।
ओके, कहाँ से मिलेगा फिर आपको वो? हमारे व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप से, ठीक है?
ओके सर, मैं बहुत लेट ज्वाइन हुआ था सर, इसलिए मेरे पास नहीं होगा शायद से।
कब ज्वाइन हुए आप?
सर मंडे को।
मंडे। तो कल भी सर ने
Yes, sir.
धनंजय सर ने वो फॉर्म डाला है, आज भी धनंजय सर ने वो फॉर्म फिर से डाला हुआ है, तो आपने शायद देखा नहीं। So you can go through the messages and you can fill that particular form after clicking on the link. Okay, not a problem. But do that after the lecture. Now, how many have joined? Only 41 have joined. Okay, let us start our discussion. Let us start our lecture. Okay. Now, in our previous lecture, we had discussed about the thermal power plant. So I hope that all of you have understood the thermal power plant. There should not be any sort of doubt in case of thermal power plant. But today, we are going to discuss the next power plant, that is nothing but the hydroelectric power plant. Okay, the name of the power plant is hydroelectric power plant. Okay, so basically hydro and electric means what? Means hydraulic energy we are going to utilize, and that hydraulic energy will be of water. Okay, so basically you might have seen these kinds of power plants near the dam, area. Okay, so basically these sorts of power plants are situated in the dam area. Okay, now ultimately in the last lecture you understood the things in a reverse manner, so we will go again in the reverse manner only. So what is the role of this generator? Generator converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. Okay, so for that for producing that mechanical energy, we need something, isn't it? And that thing was steam in the thermal power plant, isn't it? Now this the thing is being replaced by the water. Okay, so whatever energy this particular water is possessing, when it is stored in a dam, so that energy, that can be the potential energy as well as the kinetic energy, so that energy will be converted into the mechanical energy, and then the mechanical energy will be converted into the electrical energy in the generator. Okay, any doubt?
No, sir.
No, very good. Now see how energy conversion is going to be take place. Okay, so very first, what we have in the reservoir is nothing but the potential energy, which is stored in the water when that particular water is reserved in the reservoir. So that reservoir is nothing but the dam only. Okay, then that particular water will be flown through the penstock. So this is what is the penstock. Okay, and whenever that water is flowing through the penstock, it is going to possess kinetic energy plus pressure energy. Okay, then at water at the inlet of the turbine. So say for example over here in this particular region, water is going to have, Mangesh, can you
Yes,
mute
sir.
yourself, or you have any doubt?
No.
काही तुला सांगायचंय का, काही ऍड करायचंय तुला?
नाही sir. Sorry.
Okay, no, don't say sorry. If you want to add, you can unmute yourself and you can add. समजा तुम्हाला काही त्याच्यावरती आणखीन माहिती असेल तर तुम्ही बिनधास्त सांगू शकता. माझ्याकडनं काही चुकीचं सांगितलं गेलं असेल, you can correct me, not a problem. Feel free to talk, and it should be a healthy discussions. What I think, there has to be a healthy discussion between you and me. काय होतंय की हे खूप विचित्र वाटतंय मला शिकवताना, की मी इथून बडबड करत जातो, तुम्ही तिकडून ऐकता आणि नंतर फक्त यस सर येतं. काही काही विद्यार्थी तर असे असतात की जे यांनी लॉग इन करतात, मग नंतर मस्त आपले काही कामं असतील ते कामं करतात आणि डायरेक्ट मीटिंग संपायच्या वेळेला येतात आणि यस सर करून अटेंडन्स देतात आणि जातात. सो आय डोंट वॉन्ट यू पीपल टू डू दॅट पर्टिक्युलर थिंग. तुम्ही आहात इथे ऑनलाईन प्रेझेंट आहात, तर फिजिकली ॲज वेल ॲज मेंटली पण प्रेझेंट राहा. तुम्हाला काही डाऊट्स आहेत ते विचारा. मी चुकत असेल तर मला करेक्ट करा. तुम्हाला काही व्हॅल्यू ॲडिशन करायची असेल कंटेंटमध्ये तर ते सुद्धा तुम्ही करू शकता. नो प्रॉब्लेम. ठीक आहे. इज इट ओके? इज इट फेअर?
Yes, sir. Okay.
सगळ्यांना विचारतोय मी.
हो सर.
हो सर.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, so when water will reach near the nozzle part and near to the inlet of the turbine, so whatever kinetic energy that has possessed, okay, that will be converted into the pressure energy at this particular junction. Means what? At the nozzle point. Okay, then whatever mechanical energy, that means pressure energy, that water is going to have, it will convert that pressure energy into the mechanical energy. That mechanical energy means what? Rotation of the turbine blades. Okay, and those turbine blades are connected with the turbine shaft. So that rotation of the turbine shaft will be observed, and that turbine shaft is connected with the generator shaft. So as the generator shaft starts rotating, we start receiving the electrical energy. So that is the simple concept of this particular power plant. Understood? So this is how the energy is being converted from say what we can say from water into the electricity. Okay, now basic concept we have understood, but there are different parameters, there are different things which we need to discuss why those things are there. ओके, प्रत्येक वस्तू तिथे का आहे हे आपल्याला समजून घेणं गरजेचं आहे. वी नीड टू अंडरस्टँड दिस फर्स्ट. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट मी नो how many of you have seen this particular power plant? Is there anyone who has seen this power plant?
सर स्वदेश मध्ये बघितलं होतं.
Exactly. Is there anyone who has not seen Swades movie? Nobody. Very
Sir,
good.
I have seen this in Uttarakhand.
Okay, you have seen this in Uttarakhand. Okay, okay, not a problem. And which type of power turbine over there? कुठल्या प्रकारची टर्बाइन तिकडे होती माहिती आहे का?
नहीं सर, वो नहीं पता.
ओके, नो प्रॉब्लेम. आणखीन कोणी कुठे पाहिलाय? बस दोघं तिघच जण आहे ज्यांनी पाहिलंय आणि स्वदेश पण पाहिलाय. ठीक आहे, नाही तर मग एवढ्या पार्ट साठी तुम्ही स्वदेश पुन्हा बघू शकता. ओके, सी वन बाय वन वी विल मूव. ठीक आहे. व्हाय वी नीड वॉटर रिझर्वायर? Water reservoir basically it will be a reservoir where we can store the water, and for that purpose we construct the dam so that water will be reserved up to certain height, isn't it? That height we call that particular height as an head. Okay, we call it as head, HEAD. Okay, many times if you have seen the dams, no, you might have seen the different markings are marked on the height of the dam. Say for example 10, 20, 30, 40, like this in terms of meters, that height is being marked. So what that marking is, that marking will show that how much that particular dam is having the water, reserved water. Okay, what capacity of that particular dam will be when it will be having maximum capacity. Okay, but will be when it will be full to up to its maximum capacity. So that is that marking thing. Okay, so this is the dam which we are using for the reservoiring the water. Okay, then one trash rack is there. Now this trash rack, you might remember when Shahrukh took some garbages which was stuck in the pipeline. ते पाइपलाइन मध्ये काहीतरी अडकलेलं असतं, तो ते काढतो आणि मग पुन्हा फ्लो स्टार्ट होतो. ओके, you might remember this thing. So that is why this particular trash rack is there, so that unwanted things should not flow in the penstock. Okay, so that is the reason why trash rack is there. Then next one is gate. Now many times you might have observed that gates are open. Like these things you might read in the newspapers. Okay, अमक्या अमक्या डॅमचे गेट्स ओपन केलेत, डिफरंट flow is being circulated. So like that, this is what that particular gate through which we can pass on the water in the penstock. Okay, next is penstock. Now for what we can say, for understanding, this is nothing but the penstock. Okay, but in the appearance it is appearing as a pipe, isn't it? आपल्या घरात पण बघा पाण्याचं जे कनेक्शन आहे, that is one pipe, but this pipe and this pipe, both are same, but still it is being named as an penstock. So why is it so? Because the diameter of this particular pipe, so whatever diameter we are having over here, that diameter is quite huge one. In some cases that particular diameter goes into the range of 1 meter, 1.5 meter, 2 meter, 2. Okay, so 1 meter equals to 3 feet. Okay, so you can imagine the what sort of diameter it will be, and what we are having in our house. बघितलं घरामध्ये कुठल्या साईजचा आपल्याकडे पाईप असतो, पाण्याचा जो काही इनलेट कनेक्शन आहे ते कुठल्या साईजचा असतं माहिती का? Yes, anyone? Hello, am I audible?
सर इंच मध्ये असते.
Yes, very good. किती इंच असतं? किती इंच असतं माहिती आहे कोणाला?
each.
Sorry. See, in normal our household things, we do have half-inch connection, but in terms of societies, they have 1-inch connection. Then if industry is there, that industry may have 2-inch connection, 4-inch connection. Then whatever main supply we have from the corporation area, that main supply is of 4-inch connection. Okay, but this particular pipe is of say for example 1 meter, whose diameter is equals to 1 meter. So you can imagine what diameter will be of this. Okay, that is the reason this is called as an penstock. Okay, then these are the anchors. Okay, now what is the role of these particular anchors? Now whenever water starts flowing through this penstock, it is having kinetic as well as pressure energy. Okay, so because of that particular energy, chances are there that this penstock may get loosen up, or this penstock may get failed. ठीक आहे, जे काही पाइप्स कनेक्ट केलेले असतात ते त्यांचं फेल्युअर होऊ शकतं, त्यांचं मिसमॅच होऊ शकतो. ओके, so to avoid these kinds of things or to support the penstock, these anchors are there. Okay, that is the role of the anchor. Now then next is the nozzle. Over here this nozzle is there, means what is the need of this particular nozzle is it converts the all kinetic energy into the pressure energy. For this particular reason we have nozzle over there. Then next one is the turbine. Now
Sir.
Yes,
Sir, anchors repeat करा एकदा.
sorry.
Sir, anchors.
Okay, anchors नाही समजलं.
Yes, sir.
See, have you seen any pressurized pipe? कधी बघा आपण
Yes,
बघा when we go for in the washing center, car washing center or bike washing center, they are using water plus compressed air in that particular pipe, isn't it? But whenever that particular operator leaves that pipe, so that pipes starts shaking up. तो पाईप असा हलायला लागतो पूर्णपणे. तर त्या कॉम्प्रेसरचं जे काही प्रेशर असतं तर प्रेशर हार्डली 1 बार पर्यंत असेल, 1 बार ते 2 बार पर्यंत प्रेशर असतं त्याचं. बट कॅन यू इमॅजिन 1 बार 2 बार प्रेशर मुळे तो पाईप इतका हलायला लागतो, इतका फ्लक्च्युएट व्हायला लागतो, इतका व्हायब्रेट व्हायला लागतो, जेव्हा हे प्रेशर, हे जे काही हेड आहे हा इथे पासून ते ही हाईट, इफ यू कन्सिडर दिस पर्टिक्युलर हाईट, देन दिस मच इज दी head of this particular power plant, isn't it? So if this particular head or water which is at this particular head is being passed through the penstock, it starts vibrating very dangerously. ते फार एकदम dangerously vibrate करायला लागतं. So to avoid that, first thing, second thing, to support the penstock, these anchors are over there to reduce the vibrations. Then if some vibrations are there, vibrations cannot be zero. If vibrations are there, then those vibrations needs to be damped. The vibrations आपल्याला damp पण करायचे असतात. So for those particular region, these anchors are over there. ठीक है? Now I think you
Yes,
might have
sir.
understood this. Then nozzle is there. So I have explained you the part of the nozzle. Now this is the part which Shahrukh hold आणि तो जो काही flow कमी जास्त करायचा जो काही करत होता ते हे nozzle through करत होता. ठीक है? Then we have hydraulic turbine. Now for hydraulic turbine, basically we have 2 to 3 types of turbines. One is the Kaplan turbine, Pelton turbine, and one more is there, Kaplan, Pelton, and okay, तीसरा मला आठवत नाहीये, but there are 3 types of turbines. One is Kaplan and this one is Pelton. But now what we are discussing is nothing but the Pelton wheel turbine. So it is called as an Pelton wheel turbine. ठीक है? And Pelton wheel exactly कसं असतं ते तुम्हाला पुढच्या diagrams मध्ये तुम्हाला मी दाखवेल. ठीक है? So what is the role of this turbine? Once this water is being impacted on the blades of this turbine, then these blades will start rotating, and these blades are connected or are mounted on the shaft of the turbine. Then shaft will start rotating, and this particular shaft is connected with the generator shaft, and so generator shaft will start rotating, and then generator will generate, or it will convert the mechanical energy into the electrical energy. So that is what is there, and this is how the energy is being transferred. Okay, then next, this is what is the outlet. So this outlet means what? In some cases, this outlet is also pressurized water. So for in those particular cases, जे काही पाणी आपल्याला atmospheric conditionला आणून मग ते या टेलरेस मध्ये पास केलं जातं, so that that water will be transferred. Okay, so we have discussed this. See, these are the different diagrams of the power plants. Then again, these are some diagrams. See how these turbine blades are there. Okay, and how is the height of this particular what we can say power plant. This is the largest hydroelectric power station which is in the China. सगळ्यात मोठा power station आहे हा hydroelectric power station. See, now you can see this is the only turbine. Okay, and you can turbine blades are there. These are the turbine blades, and you can imagine this is the size of the man, and you can imagine how much will be the size of the whole particular setup. Okay, see, this is what is the another dam which is constructed by us. This is the basically gate thing which we had discussed, and through this particular gate we are getting the discharge of the water. Okay, now here we have finished this particular hydroelectric power plant. Now you can mark the attendance by marking or chatting present in the chat box. Then you can mark your attendance in the link which is shared. Anyone having doubt? काही doubt असेल तर विचारा.
No, sir.
If you don't have any doubt, you can leave the meeting. Our meeting is getting it will be ending in 1 minute only. If you have any doubt, you can ask.